Hello everyone. I'll walk you through this Java Snake game I developed. So this project includes both classic Snake game and simple logging system using my SQL database. Let's dive into the code section by section. This at the top, I define the package as Snake game and import all the necessary libraries as Java Swing and Java out for GUI and Java out event for keyboard input and Java SQL for database access and Java util.random to spawn all the apples at random positions. So here, public class snake game extends jpanel implements action listener. I define this main class snake, which is extend the panel for drawing and implements action listener to handle the events. These are the constants of the game: screen size and screen of snake units, the total number of units, and delay between the game updates in minimal seconds. And this here I declare the arrays to hold the snake body coordinates. Body parts define the initial size of the snake. Apple items track the code scores, and Apple X and Apple Y hold the apple's position. The snake starts by moving right. Flags control whether the game is running or has started. Here in the constructor, I pass the username, passwords, then initialize the game panel settings, set focus for keyboard events, and call the connect to database to log the users in. And here, this method connects to my SQL database named dbjj. It inserts the username passwords into the table called db table. This simulates users login by saving credentials. And this public void start game, this method spawns the first apple, starts the timer, and sets the game state's flags. The snake won't move until the enter is pressed. And here, public void spawn apple, randomly place the apple on the grid, aligning it on the unit size so it makes the snake's movements. So kung asan mo siya i-move ang snakes, left, right. And here, public void move. This move each part of the snakes to the position of the part ahead of it. Then, depending on the current direction, it moves the head. So, kung asan mo siya direct, like left or right. So, mukhang ang yung body parts musunod po sa left and sa right. So, mag-unam dyan na yung head, and then musunod ang body parts. Here, check apple, public void check apple. If the snake's head touches the apple, the body grows by 1 unit. The score increase and the new apple is found. So if ang snake makakaon og apple, mo grow ang snake as 1 unit increase siya 1 unit. And then ang score mo taas, mapunan siya og kanang 1 point, and automatically line up ang apple line position sa apple mo spawn. So check kung here public void check collisions. Check two things. If the snake collides with its own body of the wall, if so, the game sets game over to true and stop the timer. So here, if ang snake makaon niya yung own body, mo tatak siya as false, which is mo balik na mo stop siya, mo tatak na to ang game over. Here, game over. And public void draw graphics, which is the graphics. This method handles all the visual output. So if the game hasn't started, it shows the red start. Red start. If it's running, it draws the apple, snake, and score. If the game is over, it displays the user's name and the final score. Here. Here siya. Kanina siya nag-start. Niya mag-end siya. So here muna siya ang score, and then na siya ulitin. So kani ang mutatak. If maging over siya, user plus user's name, muna niyang mga width and height sa yung team. And then score, play score yung nakuha nimo, ilang apple nga yung nakaon, and the button na press enter to restart. So diri ang restart functions. Here is the restart functions. Reset the snake score direction and start the game over when the player press enter after the game over. So if after sa imong game, na game over na ka, and then natin magawas nga press enter to start a game, or start a new game, it will automatically na makaduwa na po kayo balik sa snakes. Here is the paint component. This overrides the jpanel paint method to call the custom draw. Yung draw method, every time na ang panel is updated. So if ang panel ma-update, this mo automatically, override mo siya, automatically mo call sa draw if na ay ma-update sa game. So action perform, here action perform, this called automatically by the timer. So if the game has started and is running, it moves the snake's checks to collisions and apple consumptions, and red draws the screen. So ayun na siya, i-call niya ang check apple and check collisions. And here, public class may key adapter. Ito din isa. Here, key adapter. Here, handles the arrow key press to change the snake direction. Start the game on enter and restarts the game after it ends. Here, the game started and wala yung game over. Key code. So, mo siya mga key code sa directions. Left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, down, up, down. There is a public static void main. Creates the GUI using JFrame. It takes in username and password and start the game window after the login. The enter credentials are passed to the snake game constructor and stored it in database. So ani So mo niya ang JFrame login, mo siya JFrame sa login, and then JLabel sa username, and text field para sa yang backgrounds, yang fonts, font colors, JLabel para sa password, yang colors and mga fonts niya. And here is the login button. Login button. And here, muna niya mga ipang add ang mga user labels nimo, which is gikan din sa babaw. The login frame, set size to 400 and 180, set default, close operation, JFrame that exit out close. So don't forget to set visible true para makita jud nimo ma-execute nimo ang imong code. So here is the login button action listener. So let's run here. At I set ang username as J. Any password na yun yung password. Say successfully login. So start. Kaya nga na. So after sa game, if mag-game over na ka sa yung game, so makita, may execute na may display ang J, which is katong i-type sa akong username, and ako ang scores kung pila ka apple lang ako nakuha. So press enter to restart. Press na enter, and then press na pa ng enter para start, and then mga to. Sige siya. So here, atong tanawon if na-execute ba siya sa database. Ako ang username, may input ang login niya akong input. So let's see. Execute your arrow. Here's so, na-add nga one table sum. So, na-add din siya guys. Then, ito ang tanawang table. Here. So, ano niya ang last niya? Di-add. Just ganito. So, nakita siya sa database. Na-connect na siya. So, that's all. And thank you.